We use advanced automatic welding. Compared with traditional manual welding, automatic welding can keep consistent quality. However, manual welding is more arbitrary. It cannot really achieve standardized and consistent welding, and the welding effect is more volatile. We also have one more step of manual polish. It has no other suppliers can match. It can keep the welding with no slag and make the surface clean and smooth. The surfaces after polish are smooth and shiny. It can benefit the powder coating later.